the entire media team for Gulu City. I am Lyandro Komakech, the contestant of this concluded parliamentary seat. We worked so hard and we demonstrated our capacity to voters. We expected this process to be very transparent so that we have a legitimate outcome, that no one bothers to seek any other interest. But given the manner in which this process was conducted, I commit to say it was extremely unfair. And we are just proceeding to seek legal redress. You notice that all polling stations were not pronounced in the order one by one on how we were defeated or we won. They gave a summary, quantitative figure that you would not even expect where it came from. And even what happened yesterday in the Gulu Barracks, 4th Division, as issues begin to emerge, it appears there were a lot of manipulations and with a lot of testimony. And we have the evidences. And we would like to gather this together and then constitute a legal team, a formidable legal team to challenge this. We cannot allow electoral commission to be bulldozed, to be manipulated on the face of all voters that are supposed to legitimately expect what they vote. In all of these constituencies, if you see, Gulu Barracks has finally become the biggest obstacle to democracy to the people of Gulu, because all decisions on behalf of the citizens are determined from 4th Division. I think this is not acceptable. This should not be allowed in any democracy. The army is the key determinant of our legitimate national interests. We expect them, as their constitutional duties are, they are to protect our interests and to protect our lives and property. But on the reverse, they are now influencing on how voters and citizens should determine their leaders. I think this is very challenging, and we would like to seek more legal constitutional redress on the issue regarding our army vote. Because the army vote, we expected the army to vote according to the leaders they sent to parliament. Because there they use what they would call an agreement level, where it is done from Kampala. But for the entire army leadership to determine the number of votes they should do, because first of all, yesterday it was very difficult to penetrate the army processes. Understand from inside it was very challenging. Because how can you expect someone to vote 5, 20 times, 30 times, and you get an outcome which is correct? That is why we expect to see all results tallied per station, which should have been announced by the returning officer. And this is a vote of no confidence on our new returning officer, which we expected him to deliver a very authentic and straightforward result. So we stand to extremely process all evidences scientifically and forensically to ensure that we get the best out of what happened. Otherwise, I remain steadfast. The votes have not removed my intelligence, my capacity, and all what I can deliver for people. I remain very firm and focused and expect to do more other things for this country. I thank you.